Over half of all workers experience work-related body pain. So today, we're going to talk about ergonomics, but what's fact? And what's just talk? Time to find out. Standing all day can be just as bad as sitting for too long. Your body needs variation. People often think, but I'm not in pain. But guess what? Ergonomics is about avoiding it in the first place, because pain often sneaks up on you. So think long term. One size fits all? It's not quite that simple. We all have different bodies and different jobs. So make sure to choose furniture that can be adjusted, so it works for everyone. Ergonomics is more than just furniture. Sound and light matter just as much. Ergonomics doesn't have to cost a fortune. Start with something simple, like this. And hey, this has saved a lot of backs. Myths busted! And remember, how you work today determines how your body feels tomorrow. Discover our ergonomic solutions for the entire workplace. See you later!